Hello YouTube vintage radio collectors. This is the General Electric Commentator model KM-52. It's the second video, just an update. And I finished replacing capacitors, resistors, and rubber wiring, which is most of the radio except for the basic hardware. And I just want to show you this pile of garbage that came out of this radio. The rubber wiring cracked. The one new part. A lot of these old caps here. I haven't turned it on yet. I'm just going to check over the wiring versus the schematic, make sure nothing's off, and then I'm going to test the tubes. One little modification on this one. It was a 35L6 radio with a little resistor between the 35L6 and the 35Z5, which ends up putting a lot of heat in the underside of a very small radio. So what I've done is I've jumpered that section between the two tubes. I'm going to upgrade it to a 50L6, which is much more plentiful, and I will change it on the inside of the radio so anybody in the future understands what's happened. That's a common thing with these 35L6 5-tube radios. They always put a dropping resistor and it ends up scorching everything underneath the radio. So I just thought a little update on this pile of garbage.